Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about tips and tricks for cleaning your kid's room, organizing, and help with decluttering. First off, what I did was took out all the clothes that was in his drawer. Taking out all the clothes helps me go through what is dirty that he might have slipped in there, what doesn't fit, or what is too old to be donated. Now I'm vacuuming up all little dust or little crumbs that he spilled of his snacks that he wasn't supposed to eat in there, and it helps just clean it up. If you have a dresser, great. We really don't have dressers, we just have this 4-drawer underneath his bed, and each little drawer I like to keep things separate. So one drawer is his socks, one drawer is his undies, the next is shorts, and the next one is like sleep pants or sleepwear. And that just shows him that whenever he's going to save his clothes, these are the correct drawers that your clothes is supposed to go in. I do encourage my children to save their own clothes, but I'm always going back at the end of the week and just reorganizing and cleaning everything. Whatever doesn't fit, you can also put in a pile all to the side if you have more clothes to go through later. Sorry guys, I did get a call during this video. So another great tip to help organize and keep things clean is get different buckets or baskets. He has a car basket, he has a dinosaur basket, a Legos basket, and that just helps keep those toys separated from getting all cluttered or mixed up. If you can, move furniture out the way so you can get toys or unnecessary objects and items behind them out the way, and so you can vacuum and pick up all that extra dirt and clutter, dust to help get clean. Another tip, get this little nozzle and vacuum where the wall meets the carpet. That really is a game changer. Put trash and other papers off to the side in a pile, so when you're done cleaning the room, you know that this is a trash pile and you can just throw it in the trash. So you're not making many trips to the trash can or wherever. So I found shirts that was in the drawer and I'm just hanging them up and going to save them. Next thing, just make the bed as you would make your own bed. I do encourage the kids to make their own bed, but I know it's not going to be the way I like to make the bed. So just motivate them to try to do better, or congratulate them whenever they make it the way they make it. It'll just help them. It'll just help congratulate them for next time. They'll try better or do better. I personally like to fold the sheets like this. That is just my opinion. Then we have just extra blankets he has that I put on the bed, and then add all the stuffed animals off to the side. He has a superhero shelf where he keeps all his superheroes on that shelf. He has more throughout the room that I will add later. And I found his Xbox remote that he did not look so great for. So another great tip, whenever you're looking through the closet, take out all the hangers and put them off to the side. If they have shirts that fell, you can simply and easily hang them back up. Next organizing tip, if you have extra bags, fold them and put them in one bag to help. It'll help maximize storage and make things look a little bit cleaner. So once again, I'm just picking up like cars, going to put them in the cars bucket. Lastly, one is the room finally clean of all toys, trash, clothes, donation, junk, anything and everything. Go ahead and vacuum the whole room. Take the nozzle, vacuum the creases of the room. It'll make a difference. And be prepared for the next couple of days whenever your hard work gets ruined. Just kidding. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. I love doing cleaning videos even though my house looks like a disaster sometimes. This is the final look of this room. Thanks you guys.